the Zephyrus. All right, this is the long-awaited ROG Zephyrus by ASUS. It's a laptop that you guys have been requesting, and here it is. This laptop, first of all, it smells like cardboard, but oh my goodness, this box is much bigger than I expected. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but the dots on the front are actually like shimmering. But let's go ahead and get it unboxed. There's no pull tab, so the big knife is coming out. There's only one piece of tape. Also, I apologize for the overhead camera. This box is just so massive that it can't even fit all in one spot. But let's get this unboxed. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys got to see this. You guys got to see this. Oh, this might be a keep just from aesthetics alone. Oh, what does it say at the top? Oh, Republic of Gamers. Oh my, look how beautiful this is. Oh boy. I can't even touch it. I want to touch it, but I can't. It's just so beautiful. Let's see what's in the box. So we have our power adapter here, and this is 180 watts. All right. I'll open it up. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. Oh my, do you guys see this? If I keep lifting this back, the laptop comes up. ASUS, the presentation on this unboxing, top 5. I can't wait to touch it. All right, let's go. I feel like I have all the power in my hand. All right, I don't know if there's anything else in this box. Let me see. Nope. Nice ingenuity of the box, though. I appreciate that. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. It doesn't smell like anything. Hopefully the plastic is stopping the beautiful smell it might have. Let's take the plastic off. Ooh. Come on. So much plastic. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? This smells like metal. Good metal. ROG metal. Oh boy. Oh my God. It's so rigid. Oh my God. Okay, let's get this thing powered on. One hand. Oh, wrong way, as always. Ugh. I'm so sorry, ASUS, please. I apologize, it slipped. Let me try again. Moment of truth, it lifts up too. Oh, whoa. Like the Zen book. All right, let's go. Please tell me you have power. Please. It's dead. It's dead. So this is plugged into a smart plug, so if the plug explodes from how much power is in this computer, I apologize. Ooh, it's charging. Where you turn on now? Ooh, I think it's on. I can feel the fans. Ooh, I can smell components on the inside. It smells disgusting, actually. This smells very weird on the top. I like the way the Zen book smells, even though it's like half the, I think it's like a third of the price, actually. It has 120 hertz. Oh, it's so smooth. I love it. Okay, so guys, there is a fingerprint reader, by the way, so setting that up. Okay, so I know this is the honeymoon phase and I'm just getting set up in Windows, but I apologize to people, whoever I recommend the Dell XPS. Get this laptop, just do it. Do it for your own sanity. Okay, I will say, the arrow keys, guys, it's a little small. It's like, you better be using WASD, 100%. If you're using the arrow keys in the game, you might not be ROG anymore. on this laptop at least. Okay, so there's one problem I'm already seeing. One second, Alexa, turn off studio lights. If you can see this, it's kind of like the ZenBook. I don't know if the camera's picking it up that well, but the lights are very dim. Like, it's really hard to see these keys. They need to really change the color scheme. This silver on silver is not good. Dolby Atmos for built-in speakers are ready. Ooh. This trackpad is smooth. Like a baby's bottom. It is smooth. Let me go ahead and test this out. Oh, this already feels amazing. This feels solid. I could type on this. I don't want to use the word forever, but I will not be fatigued typing on this keyboard at all. There's no way. Overall, I actually like this keyboard more than the ZenBook, even more than the Razer Blade. It just feels solid. There's nice key travel. They're evenly spaced. Although they look weird, I'm not a fan of the arrow keys on the right-hand side, but it just feels like a nice typing experience. So what I have inside this Zephyrus G14 is the Ryzen 9 4900HS, has the RTX 2060 Max-Q, also with built-in Radeon graphics, and has 16 gigabytes of RAM, Wi-Fi 6, a terabyte of storage is in this device right now. Wow. I am impressed. Now let me figure out how to turn on the beautiful LEDs on the back. Okay, so I've done a bit of research and it seems that the model that I have does not have the anime matrix display on the back, which basically means that the LEDs do not light up. So unfortunately, you guys won't get to see my reaction, but overall, I still do think that the back of this design looks really clean. It seems that the model that does have the anime matrix is the one that's 1440p, 60 hertz. Now, if you're a gamer, I would say that if you like single player games, that might be a little bit better since, 60 frames is more than enough for that. Now, if you're a competitive gamer or if you're trying to be the best you can in game, I would say that the higher frames per second is going to be more beneficial than higher fidelity with the resolution. So I would say that it's not worth it, but if you absolutely need to get the back of your laptop to light up, which I think was a pretty big selling point in this laptop, then you're gonna have to fork over an extra $2,000, or you're gonna have to fork over $2,000 to ASUS to get that feature. I'm not about that, so I'm fine with that. See how the speaker sounds. There's Atmos on here. Dolby Atmos dust.
Point accuracy.
Whoa, okay. That actually sounded like it was coming behind me.
Whether the soundscape sits the mood of the scene.
Okay, that is very weird how this laptop is here, but it sounds like it's coming behind me when it's moving behind me. That's so weird. Speakers are good, like deceivingly good. There's no bass, like there's no punch, but in terms of clarity, it is very clear. It's been so long since I've done a laptop review. What else do I do on a laptop? So I completely forgot to talk about the ports. I apologize, but there are vents right here on the side in terms of the airflow. It looks like there's two USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and as well as a Kingston lock on this side. And then on the other side, we also have another vent for cooling, our power adapter, full-size HDMI, the USB-C port that you can actually charge this laptop with, and an audio jack. Now, let's get this thing opened up. Seriously? It's like I'm playing Operation. Oh my. Come out. Whew. Okay, all the screws are out. My goodness, look at this. So many screws. I'm probably going to use this. Here we go. Ooh, it's red. Okay, look at these heat pipes. And this seems to be a RAM slot. So 16, although there's only one right here. It's very interesting. So it looks like this one is upgradable, but the other one seems to be soldered on. This one is the M.2 slot. One thing I forgot to show you guys is that there's this metal engraving on the laptop that says Republic of Gamers established 2016. Am I dumb? 2006, idiot. So time is running out for this video, and this is going to be the outro of the Zephyrus G14. ASUS, you guys, in terms of first impressions over the ZenBook, this has impressed me. Blown away? No, because I don't have the LED lightings. I think people should have talked about that a little bit more, but this laptop in terms of build quality, like almost no flex. There's a little bit of flex, but you got to really push down on there. This laptop feels solid, and I know in terms of performance, it's going to do a lot of tasks that people need it to do. So with all that being said, guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video of me unboxing the G14 Zephyrus. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like or dislike for your feedback. Comment down below what you think about the G14. And as always, guys, much love. I will do a special outro, but I'm just gonna go back to using this laptop because I am in love. It's so beautiful. Wait, there's a ZZ mode. What does this do? Oh, it puts the computer to sleep mode. Nice, my computer's off. Well,